The death toll in the Maui wildfires rose to 96 on Sunday, with officials cautioning that it was likely to continue to grow. The revised number of fatalities has put the fire as the deadliest wildfire in modern U.S. history. Thousands of gallons of water and ready-to-eat meals will be needed each day for displaced residents, in addition to shelter for 4,500 people who lost their homes to the blaze. The fire damaged or destroyed an estimated 2,207 structures, and the majority of the buildings impacted were residential. I'm JustinFREAKIN, and that's the Freakin' News. Have a great freaking day.